I'm going to show you 10 simple ways to eat healthy. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 1. Choose whole foods instead of processed. Swap your frozen pizza and instant ramen with whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They're packed with essential nutrients like protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, as opposed to processed foods which contain empty calories. Commit to adding veggies to your lunch and dinner and fruit to your snack. Number 2. Say no to sugary drinks. The average American drinks around 45 gallons of soda each year, according to the Beverage Marketing Corporation. Other than the obvious risk of type 2 diabetes and obesity, consuming sugary beverages can also cause liver damage, premature aging, and anxiety. So, instead of sipping packaged juice or soda, go for unsweetened beverages or infused water. Number 3. Keep healthy food readily available. When you get hungry, you're more likely to eat the first thing you see on the counter or in the cupboard. Keep healthy food in easily accessible and visible places in your home and workplace. Put some fruits in a basket and place it on your kitchen counter. Store healthy snacks at eye level in your pantry and stock up your fridge with small batches of cooked whole grains and fresh fruits and vegetables. Number 4. Try the outer ring technique at the grocery store. Only shop on the outer perimeter of the store. This is usually where the healthy food lives: fruits, vegetables, lean meats, fish, eggs, and nuts. If you only shop on the outer ring, then you're more likely to buy healthy foods. They are as close as you can get to whole foods with minimum processing. Number 5. Go nuts for nuts and seeds. From protein and healthy fats to vitamins and minerals, these superfoods pack a serious nutritional punch. Similarly, seeds like chia, flaxseed, and pumpkin seeds are nutritional powerhouses too. They are excellent sources of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals like calcium, zinc, and magnesium. Number 6. Eat more fish. The American Heart Association recommends eating fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, at least twice a week. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, this superfood improves brain and heart health and may reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, and diabetes. Number 7. Use whole grain flour in baking recipes. Whole grain flour includes the bran and the germ, which makes it more nutritious than its refined counterpart. Start off by subbing half of the flour in the recipe with spelt flour or any other whole grain and see how it works. Whole grains lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Number 8. Eat in smaller plates. Science says that eating on a large plate tricks your brain into thinking that you haven't eaten enough. Eat on a smaller plate to feel full quicker and avoid overeating. When eating on a smaller plate, cleaning your plate will result in eating less food. The color of your plate could impact your food intake as well. People eat less when there is a higher color contrast between the plate and the food. Number 9. Count nutrients, not calories. If you want to improve the quality of your diet, focus on the nutrients in your food instead of calories. Our energy intake can only depend on our ability to extract the energy from food. All calories are not created equal. It is the quality of the calorie that has the most impact on health, not necessarily the quantity. Number 10. Add more probiotic foods to your diet. Consume probiotic foods and supplements to improve healthy gut bacteria, which is responsible for digestion, extraction of nutrients from food, and building the immune system. Probiotic foods like yogurt, apple cider vinegar, and soft cheeses are also gut friendly. Like this video if you like it, and click on this video to learn the 10 best cardio workouts for fat loss. That's it. That's all. See you next time.